Hi, I am Carlos Vergara Games, AI and data engineer. Let me show you a quick demo of something I have been building from scratch, my 3D multi-agent assistant. Let's see. The system is running. Uh, here, this here is CoreShot, the main interface. The 3D shot isn't integrated yet, so for now there is just a rotating sphere placeholder, but everything else is already working. Let's start with him. Uh, Hi. Okay. I can talk to the assistant in real time and it understands my message. Then decide which agent should handle it before replying. Behind all of this, there is a central brain I call the Orchestrator. It manages the AI agents and keeps the world system running smoothly. Not all agents are finished yet, but the main logic and the communication between them are already in place. Let's close this and shut down the system. Okay. Now, here's the 3D model. I designed, tested, and animated it myself in Blender. I am using Three.js to render it in real time with textures and animations. The idea is to mesh this character into a core shot soon and eventually turn the whole thing into an educational tool. Something interactive that helps kids, young people learn about AI in a fun, visible way. And that's all. Thanks for watching.